Now let me guess. You need a guess what it is.
Okay, so it can be a cat or a dog. What do you think it is?
A turkey.
No, it's not a turkey, Dad. It's a dog. Okay, so we got McDonald's and we got pizza for the night.
Yeah,
and here's the dog. Hi, kitty.
Hi. I just love my dog. They get it from Christmas, my dad.
Yeah, they gave it to him.
Tiene un poquito de ketchup en su pierna.
He has a little bit of ketchup. Okay, so we're going back home.
Cuando se manchó de barbacoa.
And it's been a long time since we haven't done a YouTube channel, a video.
Yeah, so we're doing a video right now. But just if you like our dog, get a like.
I love this.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yes,
Please, guys, subscribe.
You with me.
Hi. Okay, we're not saying anything of age.
Oh my God! Hi. We will be showing you the dog.
Next
He's a cutie.
We are having this was yesterday.
I wanted to tell you the best thing that has ever happened to me. I have the black panther.
That's the best thing that ever happened to you. Oh
yeah,
my
that's
God.
the best.
That's pretty sad, man.
What is happening?